Turkey to respond tit for tat to possible US sanctions. Erdogan, Turkey fights against terrorism, not Kurds. Russia blocks US statement at UN on Turkish operation. Arab foreign minister meet in Cairo, Syria. US deployed 3,000 troops to Saudi Arabia. Iran, women allowed in football stadium after decades. Houthis offer Yemeni government prisoner swap deal. Ethiopian PM Abiy Ahmed wins 2019 Nobel Peace Prize. Sudan extends state of emergency by 3 months. Somalia, UNICEF announces some $50 million in education funding. Pakistan Premier phones Turkey's Erdogan to extend solidarity. India and Chinese leaders voice concern about terrorism.